How to create Instagram posts with text. Creating an Instagram post with text is like adding a caption to your photo album. It tells your story, shares your thoughts, and engages your followers in a more meaningful way. So here's how we are going to do it. We're just going to click this plus sign here, and then after that we're going to click story, we're going to click create, and then from here you're just going to type the message. Alright, so I already typed this message here. I'm just going to basically change something. For example, the background. Okay, so this is the background that I've chosen, and then from here you can just basically change something. For example, the font, you can change it however you want. Say for example, this one, I'm going to choose this one. I'm also going to choose how big or small this can get. We can just click this here, and then we can just scroll it up in order to make it big, and then scroll down here to make it smaller. All right, there you go. I'm just going to click done, and then from here I'm going to click this three dots and going to click save. And then we're going to go back. All right, we're going to discard this, and then from here we're going to click this once again. We're going to choose the picture that we saved earlier, so this is the one. We're going to click next. All right, there you go. And you can add something here, for example, like an effect or anything. And once that's done, you can just click next, click OK, and then you can add caption if you want to. After that one, you can just hit share. Alright, so there you go. So now it has been posted. Congratulations everyone, that's how you're going to create an Instagram post with text. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.